driver. We're here, Macarang Festa. For the first time, I'm gonna join the festa here in Macarang. Oh, only here. Oh my God, it's only here. It's not far. Magkano bayad?
Sabi lang po kayong libratan na dito.
Ah, no!
Ano pangalan mo?
Ah, 60. I have 10 pesos.
Manugan ng duluhan yan.
Okay.
Bayaw ni Manny.
60. Oh, thank you.